Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to stop unwanted window update on your PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows PC keyboard, what you need to do is to press Window plus Hub, and this dialog box here is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you type in this particular command, services.mmsc. So hit on OK. From the local services dialog box right here, make sure you scroll down and make sure you look for window update. So scroll down until you get to window update. So just like so, here is window update. Click on the window update and right click on it. Once you right click on it, this option here is going to pump up. Then come down below right here and make sure you click on property, and this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do, under the startup type right here, click on here and make sure you click on disable. Once you click on disable, click on apply and hit on OK. With that, your Windows PC is going to stop auto update, and it's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.